Sculptors manipulate materials into breathtaking art piece. But behind this beautiful sculpture lies the risk and the stress. Most people admire a sculptural work, but they do not know what the inside looks like. Inside the sculptural work is the armature. An armature is the skeletal framework we use in sculpture for support. The armature carries the weight of a sculptural work. In this video, Guach is making an armature for a life-size statue. A life-size statue is a statue with the actual size of a man. The first step to make this armature is to do the calculation. Then with the result of the calculation, you fold the essential measurements. Sculpture is not magic. Guach is folding the body measurements. He's done with the calculation. He's folding. After the folding, the welding. Sculpture is a step at a time. Have you seen our playlist? We have interesting videos for you. Guach made a 6-feet cement lion sculpture. From the armature welding to the modeling, then the delivery. Guach also made an 8-feet cement water fountain. It is an interesting video. I know you love to see that. In our playlist too, we have how to make a realistic lion costume. We made a lion costume and we attached hairs to this lion. Please visit our playlist. You will love to see this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments. This channel is for you. This channel is for the lovers of art. This channel is also for the upcoming artists. We want to break down the processes of sculptural production so that you see sculpture as something you can do. So this is what we do in the studio, the behind the scene, the sculptural magic. This is our process. This is our method. This is our behind the scene. This is what we do in the studio. This is where we hustle for our urgent 2K. Please subscribe to our channel, like, share, and drop your comments. See you in our next video. Thank you. At this stage, this work is ready for modeling. As you can see, Guach reinforced the two legs with a big metal. This is your camera woman doing the first coats, the behind the scene, and after the first coats, Guach is cutting this metal. We use this metal for the base support. Guach is mixing cement for the base. This is the studio. This is what we have in the studio, the back studio actually. So thank you for watching. This is the finished cement work. Guach will do the final painting at the sides.